teacher is going to color it. I place it on the table. I pick up a blue color. You can pick the color that you want. I start coloring inside the outline. I do not go outside the outline. Can you see, children? I'm only coloring inside. I'm moving my hand. It is completed. I place the crayon in its box. And here is my worksheet ready. Children, now let's have fun finding squares. We're going to work on this worksheet. We will find squares and we will color them. Now let's find a square shape on this worksheet. Now look at this. Is this a square? No, it's not a square. Look at this picture. Is this a square? Yes. So let's color this square. Teacher has colored this picture. You can use any colors of your choice and color this picture. Now look at this. This is a square. So let's color this square. Remember to keep the color back in place. Now look out for another square. Does this look like a square? It has 4 sides. Yes, this is a square. Now let's go to the last line. Is this a square? Let's check if all the sides are equal. No, they are not of the same size. These 2 lines are small and these 2 lines are big. So it's not a square. Now look at this picture. Is it a square? Yes, this is a square. So let's color this. Now teacher has colored this square. Children, remember, you can take any colors from here and color the squares in this worksheet. Children, I have finished coloring all the squares in this worksheet. But I am sure you are looking at this one. Teacher has not colored the square because this line across is not a complete line.
Here is another worksheet, and in this we will color the objects that have the shape of a square. So let's get started. So children, tell me, what shape is this? Come on. Very good. This is a square. So let us color it. Teacher has picked a blue crayon. Remember to place your one hand in the worksheet and then start coloring. Don't forget to color the outline first. So here I have colored the outline. Now fill in the color neatly inside the outline. Here I finished coloring the square. Now let's color the objects that have the shape of a square. Look at them carefully. Is this a square? Does it have 4 equal sides? No. This is not a square. Is this a square? Does it have four equal sides? Yes, this is a square. So let us color this. Now let us look at the next object. Is this a square? No. Very good, children. This is not a square. What about this? Is this a square? Does it have four equal sides? Very good. Excellent. This is a square. It has four equal sides. Let us color this. Look at this object. Is this a square? No, this is not a square. What about this? Yes, very good. This is a square. And let us now color this. So, now my worksheet is complete. Children, do not forget to keep the crayon back in the box